In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import documents in Canva. Whether you're working with reports, presentations, worksheets, or any other kind of file, being able to quickly bring those documents into Canva will save you a lot of time and let you focus on designing. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on your screen. First, open Canva and go to the design or workspace where you want to use your document. Once you're inside your project, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You will see a panel with different options like templates, elements, and text. In that same area, you should see the upload option. Go ahead and click on upload. This is the main place where Canva lets you bring in files from your device or other connected sources. After you click upload, a new section will appear that shows your previous uploads if you've added any before. To bring in a new document, click on the button that says upload files. This will open a file browser window from your computer. Here, you can navigate to the folder where your document is saved. Canva supports many common file types, including PDFs, images, and some document formats, so choose the file you want to use in your design. Once you've found your document, select it and confirm your choice. At this point, Canva will begin uploading the file. You'll usually see a small progress indicator next to the file name, so you can tell when it's finished. Larger files or longer documents may take a bit more time, especially if your internet connection is slow, so be patient and let the upload complete. As the document is uploading, Canva will guide you with on-screen prompts. These prompts might ask you to confirm how you want to import the document, such as bringing it in as separate pages or converting it into individual design elements. Simply follow the instructions that appear on your screen. Read each prompt carefully and click the appropriate buttons to move forward. When the upload is complete and you've followed the prompts, your document will appear in the upload section. From there, you can click or drag it directly onto your design canvas, resize it, rearrange pages if available, and start customizing it within Canva's editor. And that's all you need to do to import documents in Canva.